Can I bring alcohol in my checked luggage?
Hello, and welcome to our video guide on flying with alcohol. Have you ever asked yourself, can I bring alcohol in my checked luggage? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to explore the ins and outs of carrying alcoholic beverages in your suitcase when you fly.
Is alcohol allowed in checked luggage?
The answer is a resounding yes. According to regulations from the Transportation Security Administration, TSA, you can bring alcohol in your checked luggage. However, there are certain restrictions and guidelines you must follow, so let's delve into those.
What are the restrictions?
The amount and strength of alcohol you can bring in your checked luggage depends on its alcohol content. Alcohol content up to 24%. There are no restrictions on alcoholic beverages with this alcohol content. These typically include wines and beers. Alcohol content between 24% and 70%. You can check up to 5 liters per person for such beverages in sealed containers. These would include liquors like vodka or whiskey. Alcohol content over 70%. Liquor with an alcohol content over 70% or 140 proof is not allowed in checked luggage. This can include certain types of rum or grain alcohol.
What about international flights?
International flights often come with their own set of rules and regulations. When traveling internationally, you should also consider the customs regulations of the destination country. Each country has its own restrictions on the amount of alcohol you can bring in. Be sure to check these rules before packing your bags.
Any packing tips?
When packing alcohol in your luggage, you should ensure it's well secured to prevent any breakage or leakage. Consider wrapping bottles in clothes or using bubble wrap for extra protection. Sealable plastic bags can also provide an extra layer of protection. So, there you have it. You can indeed bring alcohol in your checked luggage, but make sure you're aware of the rules regarding alcohol content, quantity, and the specific regulations of your destination if traveling internationally. Happy and responsible drinking. We hope this guide has been helpful for your next journey. Safe travels!